morning, guys. Good morning. It's the J&J's family. We are off to our fishing trip. It is 5 o'clock in the morning and we have to get onto our boats around 6. So we are meeting to my mom's house and then we're gonna head to the boat station. So the boys were a little still tired. They were sleeping. But we are at Dunkin' Donuts. So we are currently at Dunkin' Donuts getting us something to eat because we are hungry. So I got me some coffee and 3 sausage and cheese wake up wraps, and I got my mom and them. Whoa, I just went past the drive-thru. Coffee. Yeah, it's early in the morning, guys. It's all early in the morning. But I'm gonna get my food. Okay, and then I'll be back on here. Hey, so we are here waiting to board.
Oh, Quana, I know we ain't doing this.
Oh, right. Yes, I am, honey.
Oh my God.
Say hi to my YouTubers, girl.
No, I don't want to say hi to your YouTube.
Rosie. That's my mama. She running from me, y'all. Say hi to my YouTube family. Say hi to my YouTube family.
It's too early in the morning. Come on, babies.
Soraya. She's running too from the camera. I can't. Okay, we are on the boat. You ready?
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Mommy,
Yeah.
did the YouTube channel know we're going to fish too?
Yep.
For the first time.
We are on the boats. We are on the boats.
No. I want to fish.
You can fish. The boat is getting ready to go. There goes our boat. It's moving. It's moving. So we are on the boat, guys. We are off to catch some fish. Hopefully we catch some porgies. And what else? What other fish did they say we were catching? Sea bass? I think sea bass. So we will show you when we get our first catch.
Zebra.
Or the zebra fish?
Yeah.
Josh was saying the zebra fish, y'all.
Last time we caught one.
Okay. So we'll see. We'll be back when we catch a fish. Joshua caught a fish.
Hold right here. Right here. Hold it up. Okay? Yeah, I'll take a good one for you.
Hey guys, we got a couple bites. Hey. So Pop, which one's yours?
That one.
Oh, Pop hold one fish.
This one's
Cindy's fish. Nice.
Mommy, show the YouTube my big fish.
Yep.
Woo! Show the YouTube my big fish.
Where'd he go? Nope. Where's your fish? Where's your fish? Did they dump it? No. Oh, it's right here. Joshua's big fish, you guys. He caught a big one. Right, Josh?
Yeah.
Good job.
No, that's only because once I went
So we're headed to another spot, and then we're going to start fishing again.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're back at home. I'm sitting here doing my Bible study, but my brother's going to cook up the fish. So, yeah, continue watching and watch him fry up the fish.